Are you tired of watching your bank account drain every single month from expensive AI subscriptions? ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, ClickFunnels, the monthly fees add up fast. But what if you could replace all of them and build 3D websites, apps, games, and videos from one single dashboard for a one-time fee of just $16? Welcome back to App Verdict. Today, we are taking a close look at Ki3 AI. My quick verdict? If you're a beginner, an affiliate marketer, or just someone sick of paying $300 a month for AI tools, you need this. It is a true all-in-one creation engine. Make sure you stick around until the end of this video because I've put together an exclusive bonus package worth thousands, and you can only get it through my link in the description. So what exactly is Ki3 AI? It's a brand new next-generation AI platform powered by the Kimi K3 model. Most AI tools just give you text. Ki3 AI actually builds things for you. It's designed for marketers and creators who want results without the technical headaches. If you've ever thought, I don't know how to code a website or I don't know how to make videos to get free traffic, Ki3 AI solves that instantly. You give it a simple text prompt and it can deploy autonomous AI agents to research, plan, and build digital products for you. You don't need a camera, you don't need to know how to code, you just need an idea. Let's jump inside the dashboard so I can show you exactly how this works. As you can see, the layout is super clean and completely beginner-friendly. Over here on the left, you have your different AI tools. Let's say we want to build a website. We just open the AI website builder, type in a quick description of the site we want, and hit enter. Within seconds, it generates the layout, the copy, and the code. Need a video to drive traffic to that new site? Open the AI video creator. Type in a prompt like cinematic drone shot of a luxury sports car, and the AI generates a stunning scroll-stopping video you can use for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. You also get access to an AI image creator, an AI ebook creator, and an AI app builder. You literally never have to switch tabs or open another software again.
What if you could replace every single AI tool you're currently paying for? ChatGPT, Gemini, Meta AI, Canva, Jasper, Midjourney, with one single platform that does it all better, faster, and for a one-time price of just $17. Right now, you're probably spending anywhere from $100 to $500 a month on AI subscriptions. One for chat, one for images, one for video, one for documents. Each one capping your usage, limiting your access, and charging you again next month whether you used it or not. It is exhausting, it is expensive, and it stops today. Introducing Kimi Ki3, the ultimate AI platform built on Kimi's advanced large language model technology, giving you access to the complete lineup of premium Kimi AI models from past generations, present releases, and the latest breakthroughs, all from one powerful dashboard. Kimi Ki3 is not just another chatbot. It's your complete AI workspace. Type a single prompt and watch Kimi Ki3 build you a complete website, write your entire sales page, create a professional presentation, generate Word documents, PDFs, and spreadsheets, write your ad copy, email sequences, blog posts, ebooks, and much more, all in seconds. Powered by Kimi's advanced AI models, Kimi Ki3 delivers exceptional writing, reasoning, coding, research, and content creation, all while remaining simple enough for complete beginners with zero technical skills. Right now, for a strictly limited time, you can get lifetime access to Kimi Ki3 for a one-time payment of just $17. No monthly fees, no hidden charges, plus a free commercial license so you can sell what you create with Kimi Ki3 and keep 100% of the profits. But you need to act right now, because this one-time price increases every single hour, and once this launch window closes, it switches to a monthly subscription permanently. Click the button below, lock in your price before it climbs again, and get instant access to Kimi Ki3 today.
Now let's talk about the pricing and the optional upgrades. The main Ki3 AI software is just $16 one time. That gives you access to the dashboard and all the core creation tools. But if you plan to scale up, there are a few upgrades you should know about. First is OTO1, the Ki3 AI Unlimited Silver for $47. This removes all restrictions so you can generate unlimited content and websites. Highly recommended if you plan on using this daily. OTO2 is the Master Workshop for $37, which gives you advanced training. OTO3 is the Prompts Vault for $39. OTO4 is the Agency License starting at $97, letting you sell these AI services to clients. There are a few other upgrades like the YouTube Creator Vault for $47 and the Reseller and White Label packages if you want to sell the software itself as your own. You don't need all of these to get started, but the unlimited upgrade is definitely worth grabbing. If you decide to pick up Ki3 AI today through the link in the description, I'm going to give you my exclusive App Verdict bonus bundle completely free. I handpicked these 10 tools to help you get even more traffic and sales with your new AI platform. Bonus 1 is the WP Swift Page plugin. This will instantly increase the speed of your new AI websites to reduce bounce rates. Bonus 2 is WP Video Ace. This lets you easily manage all the awesome AI videos you create and embed them for maximum conversions. Bonus 3 is Traffic Secrets Unleashed, a highly guarded training on how to get laser-targeted visitors to your sites for pennies. Bonus 4 is the Lead Book Generator. This will help you easily capture leads from your new AI sites and integrate them right into your mailing list. Bonus 5 is the Article Analyzer. Use this to analyze the content Ki3 AI writes for you, ensuring it's perfectly optimized to rank on Google. Bonus 6 is Social Media Marketing Boost, a complete guide on leveraging social media to make your AI content go viral. Bonus 7 is 100 ready-made niche blogs. You get a massive head start with pre-built content you can spin and upgrade with Ki3 AI. Bonus 8 is Promo Video Secrets. Learn the exact frameworks to turn your short AI videos into massive cash generators. Bonus 9 is Search Marketing 2.0, a masterclass on ranking your new digital assets in the search engines. And bonus 10 is the 10K ClickFunnels case study. I'll show you exactly how to monetize the traffic you're getting and turn it into high-ticket affiliate commissions. You get all 10 of these exclusive bonuses absolutely free when you click the link below and grab your copy of Ki3 AI. Here's my final verdict. Big AI companies are quietly draining your bank account every month. Ki3 AI stops the bleeding. It's faster, it's smarter, and it brings everything into one single workspace for a tiny one-time fee. But you need to act right now. The $16 price tag is on a dime sale, which means the price increases every single hour. Once this launch window closes, it's moving to a monthly subscription. Plus, my exclusive App Verdict bonus stack is strictly limited to the next 50 buyers. Once those spots are gone, I'm pulling the bonuses down. Click the link in the description right now to lock in your early bird discount and claim your massive bonus package before it's too late. Thank you so much for watching my Ki3 AI review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to App Verdict for more honest reviews, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. When you buy through my link, your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus receipt area. Just click the blue Access Affiliate Bonus button. Take action, grab Ki3 AI now, and I'll see you in the next video.